Hey Max, how are you doing?
I'm doing okay. Just dealing with some problems in my life.
What kind of problem?
It feels like there is always something going on. Like just when you think you have got everything under control, another problem pops up. Tribulations one after another. It's like a never ending cycles of incessant problems.
I think it all started when we were little. Our elders always had a way of reassuring us that things would get better after certain milestones in life. They would tell us if we were diligent and got good grades in our school, we would finally be happy and free from all our worries. But then, after we completed our primary and secondary education and moved on to the university, they recapitulated that the university was the answer to all our problems. Unfortunately, this is not the case.
Hena, you are saying it just the way it is. It's like you hit the nail on the head.
As graduation approaches, we feel increasingly apprehensive about our future and career prospects. I think that's just the beginning of a challenging life. Some of my seniors are flourishing in their careers, but they have many problems regarding their married life. Some have a good connubial bond but are struggling with their inadequate income or something else. They often say the university period is the best for any person as you can live a serene life without heavy responsibilities.
However, it is important to heed that everyone's experience is different and not everyone may face these specific challenges or find the university period to be the halcyon days of their life. It's also important to note that while challenges can be difficult to face, they can also present opportunities for growth and learning.
Sam, could you tell me how I can relish my life despite various sufferings?
Yes, of course, I can make a video for everyone. We all need to know how to enjoy our lives.
That's amazing.
Okay, now let's learn some words. The first word is tribulation. Tribulation means a problem or difficulty. For example, tribulations one after another. After her sister fell ill suddenly, she endured a long period of tribulation. Word number 2, incessant. Incessant means something that continues without interruption, especially in an unpleasant or annoying way. The sentence is, it's like a never-ending cycle of incessant problems. The region had been experiencing incessant rain for days, causing widespread flooding. Word number 3, diligent. Diligent means careful and serious in your work, or done in a careful and determined way. For example, they would tell us that if we were diligent and got good grades in our school, we would finally be happy and free from all our worries. Maria was a diligent student who spent hours studying every day to ensure she earned good grades. Word number 4, recapitulate. Recapitulate means to repeat the main points of an explanation or description. The sentence is, when we moved on to university, they recapitulated that university was the answer to all our problems. I asked my friend to recapitulate the directions for getting to the restaurant because I couldn't remember them after she had told me once. Number 5 is a phrase, hit the nail on the head. It means to accurately and precisely identify the main point of an issue or situation. For instance, Hannah, you are saying it just the way it is. It's like you hit the nail on the head. John hit the nail on the head when he said that the project needed more attention to detail. Word number 6, apprehensive. Apprehensive means feeling anxiety about future, fearing that something unpleasant will happen. For example, as graduation approaches, we feel increasingly apprehensive about our future and career prospects. I am a bit apprehensive crossing the busy street. Word number 7, flourishing. Flourishing means growing or developing successfully. For example, some of my seniors are flourishing in their careers, but they have many problems regarding their married life. The new business is flourishing and has already gained a loyal customer base. Word number 8, connubial. Connubial means relating to marriage or the relationship between a married couple. The sentence is, some have a good connubial bond but are struggling with their inadequate income or something else. As a symbol of their connubial love, the couple always took a weekend vacation around their anniversary. Word number 9, serene. Serene means peaceful and calm, worried by nothing. For example, they often say the university period is the best for any person as you can live a serene life. He didn't speak much, but he smiled with that serene smile of his. Word number 10, heed. Heed means attention or notice. The sentence is, however, it's important to heed that everyone's experience is different. My sister is always in need of cash because she is unwilling to heed my financial advice. Number 11, halcyon days. Halcyon days means a very happy or successful period in the past. For example, some may find the university period to be the halcyon days of their life. The halcyon days of free-for-all fishing are gone forever. Word number 12, relish. Relish means to like or enjoy something. The sentence is, could you tell me how can I relish my life despite various sufferings? After a long day at work, there is nothing I relish more than a long hot bath. Also, relish is a type of sauce that is eaten with food to add flavor to it. For example, would you like relish on your burger? So that's all for today. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up and thanks for watching.